Hey folks, Mike Stockwell here with you from Upper Valley Honda today. So today I want to touch on the subject of vehicle service. With endless options available and many factors that contribute to where you'll take your vehicle, we at Upper Valley Honda are trying to make that decision a little easier. While many of your options will speak of transparency and put emphasis on convenience, we are taking an approach that is delivering on those points. With MPI inspections really catching on over the past 5 years, they've been providing our clients with a report card on how their vehicle components are faring with the use of the red, yellow, and green rating system. Here at Upper Valley, we're always listening to our clients' feedback. We understand that sometimes a check mark in a box just isn't enough when it comes to trying to understand why a component is failing or has failed. When you choose us, you will be provided with a full MPI video. Using this, we're able to bring you into the bay and not only explain verbally, but show you exactly what we are seeing. This approach is helping our clients make informed decisions and confident decisions when it comes to maintaining and repairing their vehicles. When our clients choose us, we also provide a complimentary alignment check. This is performed with the use of the Hunter Alignment System's in-ground alignment check machine. It also measures tire tread depth and monitors tread wear. Now, this information is immediately available to our clients via the alignment board display that's located in our service drive. Next is the use of our messaging system. That, paired with our instant video sharing, is allowing us to provide our customers a unique experience. If you're one of the many that find themselves struggling with daily time constraints, this feature allows you to watch MPI videos on the go, receive instant status updates, and communicate with your advisor via text. Also, as we touch on the point of time constraint, we want you to know if finding time to have your vehicle serviced is an issue, we offer valet services. So if you live within 35 miles and can't find the time, let us help you. We can come to your house or place of employment, pick up and drop off your vehicle when finished. So we know that choosing a service center is an important choice. You want honesty, integrity, and convenience. Combining our video sharing, messaging platform, and valet services are just a few of the ways that we're trying to make that choice easier for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.